welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super special. I wanted to show my support in the Black Lives Matter movement, and the best way for me to do that was through my nail art platform. I stand with all of you guys, and I hope big changes are coming soon. Be strong, and hopefully you guys enjoy my video today. The nails turned out awesome. Started off with my usual fake nail setup, except I burnt the hot glue gun, so that's why it looks like a caramel color. But I started off with a black top coat a black base coat, and then I went in with a top coat afterwards. Whenever you do nail art on top of a base coat, make sure you put a top coat so that in case you have to erase your nail art, you don't mess up the bottom color. Next, I came in with a white base coat for one of the nails, and I put a top coat on that as well. I also had a nail that was clear, and on that clear nail I took some glue. It's this star glue kind of thing. You put it on the nail and then you let it dry, you let it get like tacky, so it it turns a little clear. And then you're able to take these cool nail foil type things. I cut a little piece of mine off and just stamp it on there, and the foil will come off, so this way my nail looks like it has some gold specks on it. I really like this. It turned out super cool. I wanted the gold to be muted, so I put on a matte top coat onto this nail, so the gold specks are going to be kind of like a muted, dusty looking thing. And then I went in and did the same exact thing to one of the nails I painted black. Then on this nail, I wanted to write BLM in kind of like a spray painted look. I thought that would look really cool over the gold, maybe some drips in there. So I just took a longer nail art brush, and I actually used a mix between acrylic paint and nail polish for this. I was trying to get kind of like that swipe look. It was a little hard, but it ended up working out really well. And then you see me tracing the letters. I used the Sally Hansen nail art pen to give myself a little outline, and then I just put the nail polish on top of that, and then at the end I removed the pink with the Q-tip. Next hand is a fist, so I start off with my white base and my Sally Hansen nail art pen. Of course, I love this thing. It just helps me create a little outline or sketch so I can erase it and redraw if I mess something up. I really wanted to get it right. Once I was done with the pink, I went over it with a black nail polish and a nail art brush, and I just traced over that. And I believe for this I kind of did a mix between acrylic black paint and black nail polish as well. I use this cuticle pusher to help me make the lines more straight if I mess up. Sometimes my black nail polish can get a little tacky, so I can't make the lines nice. So the cuticle pusher helps me do that. I thought a fist dripping would kind of look cool with my spray painted letters, so I took a nail art dotting tool and I went and just made a drip going down the fist. And then I went in with a nail art brush and some white acrylic paint to just fill in the gaps, make the white look a little nicer, cover up some of the pink that I couldn't wipe off with a Q-tip. Next I finish off with the top coat. Always finish off with the top coat, and don't forget to cap your ends. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my nail art. I wanted to show my support and just keep staying strong, show love to one another, and have a wonderful day.